Have you ever wondered how movies create terrifying monsters, realistic wounds, fake skin, or lifelike human body parts that look unbelievably real on screen? Today, we're going deep inside the fascinating world of special effects factories and prosthetic workshops where artists and technicians create fake skin using advanced materials, creative design, and incredible craftsmanship. From Hollywood movies to medical training, haunted houses, gaming, and cinema makeup effects, fake skin technology has become a massive industry worth millions of dollars worldwide. Some professional movie prosthetics require hours of preparation and highly detailed sculpting to achieve realistic results. The process begins with design and concept creation. Before any fake skin is produced, artists carefully study anatomy, skin texture, wrinkles, muscles, scars, and facial structures. Designers sketch ideas on paper or use digital 3D software to create the exact appearance required for a film or project. In movie production, every detail matters. Even tiny pores, veins, and skin folds must look realistic under powerful cameras and studio lighting. Some monster or creature designs take weeks or even months of planning before the actual production begins. After the design stage, technicians create molds. This is one of the most important steps in the entire process. A mold acts like a negative copy of the final skin shape. In professional workshops, sculptors often use clay to build detailed facial structures or body parts by hand. Once the sculpture is complete, liquid materials are poured over it to create strong molds. These molds capture every tiny detail, including wrinkles, cuts, scars, and skin texture. According to special effects artists, prosthetic molds are carefully shaped to perfectly fit the actor's face or body. Next comes the preparation of fake skin materials. Modern fake skin is usually made from silicone, latex, foam rubber, or gel-based compounds. Silicone is especially popular because it closely resembles real human skin. Technicians carefully mix pigments and chemicals to match realistic skin tones. Some materials are soft and flexible, while others are stronger and more durable, depending on the purpose. In medical training, fake skin may be designed to simulate surgery practice, while in movies it may be designed for dramatic injuries, monsters, or aging effects. Now, the liquid material is poured into the mold. Workers must move carefully because even tiny air bubbles can ruin the final product. In some factories, vacuum chambers remove trapped air from the silicone mixture before it hardens. After pouring, the molds are heated inside ovens for several hours. This curing process transforms the soft liquid into artificial skin. Some professional prosthetics require multiple layers to achieve realistic thickness and movement. Once the fake skin has cured and hardened properly, artists remove it carefully from the mold. At this stage, the product already begins to look realistic, but it still requires a huge amount of finishing work. Skilled technicians trim excess edges using sharp tools and carefully inspect every surface for imperfections. The fake skin must move naturally when applied to a human face or body. If it looks stiff or artificial, the illusion will fail immediately on camera. The painting and detailing stage is where the magic truly happens. Artists use airbrushes, tiny brushes, pigments, and dyes to create realistic colors and textures. Human skin is never just one color. It contains subtle shades of red, yellow, blue, and brown beneath the surface. Artists carefully paint veins, freckles, bruises, scars, wrinkles, and even tiny blood vessels. Some prosthetics include realistic sweat effects, cuts, or burn marks for horror and action films. This stage requires incredible patience and artistic skill because every small detail becomes visible on high-resolution cameras. Special effects factories also create fake wounds, burns, zombie skin, scars, and creature effects for horror movies and television shows. Some prosthetics are designed to tear apart during action scenes, while others must survive intense filming conditions under heat, water, and movement. Advanced materials allow fake skin to stretch and move naturally with facial expressions. This realism helps audiences believe what they see on screen. Beyond entertainment, fake skin technology has important uses in medicine and science. Medical schools use realistic artificial skin for surgery practice and emergency training. Cosmetic companies test products on synthetic skin models instead of real human subjects in some cases. Scientists also develop advanced prosthetic skin for robotics and artificial limbs, helping improve the lives of people with injuries or disabilities. Modern synthetic skin research is becoming more advanced every year. Inside these workshops and factories, cleanliness and safety are extremely important. Workers wear gloves, masks, and protective clothing while handling chemicals and pigments. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled because environmental conditions can affect how silicone and latex behave. Some materials release fumes during processing, so proper ventilation systems are essential inside production facilities. One fascinating part of the industry is how handmade artistry combines with modern technology. While computers and machines help speed up production, many details are still created entirely by hand. Artists often spend years learning anatomy, sculpting, painting, and makeup techniques before becoming professionals in the field. Their work blends science, engineering, and creativity together into one highly specialized craft. The demand for fake skin technology continues growing rapidly due to streaming platforms, gaming industries, virtual productions, cosplay events, and advanced cinema technology. Audiences now watch movies in ultra-high definition quality, meaning special effects must appear more realistic than ever before. This pushes artists in factories to constantly improve materials, textures, and production methods. Watching the fake skin production process is both fascinating and strangely satisfying. From liquid silicone being mixed perfectly to detailed sculpting, airbrushing, molding, trimming, and final application, every step reveals the incredible amount of work hidden behind movie magic. What viewers see on screen for only a few seconds may actually require days or even weeks of preparation behind the scenes. So, the next time you watch a horror movie, science fiction film, or action scene with terrifying creatures and realistic injuries, remember that behind every monster, scar, and transformation is a team of talented artists, engineers, sculptors, and technicians working together to create the illusion. Fake skin production is not just manufacturing, it is a combination of imagination, craftsmanship, science, and storytelling brought to life through extraordinary detail and dedication.